How I survived a crazy airport using only English. Yep, that's a true story, and trust me, it was crazy. Hi everyone, welcome back to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris, where learning English is fun, real, and sometimes a little embarrassing. So, let's go back to that day. I was at the airport, right? Ready to fly to Singapore. Everything was fine until the speaker announced, "Attention passengers, the gate has changed to C23. Wait, what? My ticket said A7. So I ran, like literally ran across the airport. But when I got there, guess what? It wasn't my flight. Then an airport staff looked at me and said, "Miss, are you lost?" Now that's the first important phrase for today. Are you lost? Artinya, apakah Anda tersesat? You can use it when someone looks confused or when you look confused. So I told her, maybe. She laughed and said, "Don't worry, I'll help you."
And that's your next useful phrase. Don't worry, I'll help you. Artinya, jangan khawatir, saya bantu. Simple, but super powerful. It can make any situation feel safer, especially in a place full of people shouting, "Gate closing!" Anyway, she pointed me to the right direction. But as I walked away, I realized my passport was gone. I checked my pocket, my bag, even inside my shoe. No passport. I panicked and shouted, "Excuse me, I lost my passport." That's another one. I lost my passport. Artinya, saya kehilangan paspor saya. Trust me, this is not the kind of English you want to practice in real life, but it's good to know. Then, another passenger said, "Maybe you left it at security." I ran back, again, and the security guy smiled and said, "Miss, is this yours?" Holding up my passport like he found treasure. I said, "Yes, that's mine." Now here's a little grammar lesson. When you say, "That's mine," mine means punyaku. You don't need to say my passport again. Example, "That's my passport." Specific, "That's mine." Short and natural. Then he said, "Be careful next time." And I replied, "I will." I just learned 10 new English words today. Before I left, another funny thing happened. The announcement came again. "Attention passengers, flight to Singapore is delayed for 2 hours. All that running for nothing. But you know what? That day taught me something important. English isn't just grammar or vocabulary. It's survival. When you travel, when you meet new people, when you panic and forget everything, that's when real English happens. So here are the phrases you can take from my crazy airport adventure. 1. Are you lost? Apakah kamu tersesat? 2. Don't worry, I'll help you. Jangan khawatir, saya bantu. 3. I lost my passport. Saya kehilangan paspor saya. 4. That's mine. Itu punyaku. Simple phrases, but they can save your life, or at least your flight. So, what about you? Have you ever had a funny or stressful travel story in English? Share it in the comments. Maybe I'll turn your story into the next English Through True Stories. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this story, hit that like button, subscribe to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris, and let's keep learning English in the most fun and human way possible. Because remember, if I can survive an airport using English, you can too.
Halo teman-teman, welcome to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris. Di sini, learning English is fun, simple, and for everyone. Yuk belajar bareng supaya makin percaya diri ngomong bahasa Inggris. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. Let's get started!